You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these phrases, or especially the first word, of course. If you want to learn more vocabulary, including from fashion and hairstyling, stay tuned, and brand names, more importantly. I know you're confused. I am too. It's pronounced either plate, just like a plate, that you have in your kitchen, a plate, but also plait. Yes, and I believe it comes from French, that word. Anyhow, it's either plait hair or plait hairstyle or plate. Both pronunciations are indeed used interchangeably and correct in the US or the UK, British English, American pronunciations, plait or plate. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.